Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we're going to go over a small tutorial as to how to use the apps for Flip mouse. So if you have an Android dumb phone and you probably have your favorite apps there, sometimes it's hard to navigate because it doesn't have a touchscreen unless you have an AGM-M7 or an Xiaomi F21 Pro. But if you don't have those two devices for whatever reason, compatibility, or they're not available in your area, and you have an Android dumb phone that you have access to ADB, aka the developer settings and USB debugging. So if you have access to that and you have an Android dumb phone, and if you have apps that you want to make sure that they work, but you haven't been able to work, this is a solution for you. So the apps for Flip mouse allows you to go through those apps that do not have an interface that only works with a keypad. So for example, a maps application like Osman Plus, it's very hard to work without an actual mouse or without a touchscreen. Therefore, it's pretty much unusable on non-touchscreen devices. Therefore, this Apps for Flip mouse application that we're going to install today, it's going to allow you to navigate easily and to actually use it as it's intended. Of course, it's going to take a little bit longer because it's not a touchscreen, but it works perfectly. I'm going to be showcasing on the Kyocera DuraXV Extreme how this works. So whenever you don't have the application, you can open the app because you can install different applications on this specific device or the device of your choice. But then you can essentially not navigate through it, which is completely unusable and it's not a very nice experience. So what we're going to do is first we need to go to the Apps for Flip website. We're going to download the APK, and then either you can use your own terminal or you can use their web ADB terminal that they have built specifically for this task. And whenever you go through that, you're going to copy paste a couple of different commands. You copy paste either on the web ADB or your own terminal, Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, whichever you want to use. I'm going to be demonstrating just through their web ADB for those of you who do not know what all of these terms mean. But essentially you copy paste, as long as the device is connected, you make sure that it is connected. And after all these different commands have been added to your phone, of course you need to have the application installed first, then you will be able to use the mouse. So I'm going to showcase the difference between what the mouse can do and help you to do with a specific application, or without it, how it looks. So essentially this is Osman Plus. This is a OpenStreetMaps application that allows you to get maps. So whenever I open it without the mouse, I essentially cannot navigate it. It may get my location, but I'm not able to get directions. I'm not able to put whatever I'm looking for. But whenever I triple click, you have to triple click the star key. After you have done all of these commands and everything that I have showcased, you triple click the star key, and then you get this little nifty mouse that you're able to navigate through the content, which is amazing. And now I'm able to use this application, and this works in all of the other applications as well, like Spotify, like, an authentication app, or maybe something extra that you were hoping to work. Of course, again, this is a workaround. This is for those of us who have dumb phone, but you need one application for work and you need a touchscreen, quote unquote, then you can use this mouse in order to navigate through that and make sure that you get back to your day. So this is the workaround that I've been able to showcase today. And if you have any questions or anything else that you want about any of the dumb phones or about this method or any other applications that you want me to check it out, then just put them in the comments below. I'll be interacting with you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.